of the things that I've been thinking about been talking with Tanya a lot about is doing one of these videos, like the 37 question videos or 20 question videos, right? A lot of the content developers that I follow on YouTube and LinkedIn, they've all done this thing. It's basically 20 questions about 20 things you don't know about me. One of the reasons I haven't done it is because I don't feel like there's anything about me that I don't talk about, right? That, it's when we shoot our content, and when I run my businesses, when I talk to my people, when I talk to my clients, there isn't, I don't have like a preconceived message that I'm focused on. The message is to be authentic and transparent and be values-based, and therefore, if I'm that way, the people who will be attracted to our organization and our mission are like-minded thinkers, right? That's the new age way of thinking about things. As opposed to trying to craft my message for every audience, I try to craft my message I just create a authentic message which resonates with the right audience, right? But a couple of things that have been going on with me for the last couple of months, a lot of people don't know this. So I have appendicitis, and so I was out for a couple of weeks because I have appendicitis, and I did not get the appendectomy because it hasn't ruptured yet. So I've been trying to put off my appendicitis till the fall. Anyone who's had appendicitis knows how painful, how much of a pain in the butt it can be, but I can't really afford to have surgery because I won't be able to fly for like a month because of the risk of blood clots. And because I travel so much, I really can't just take that time. So I've been dealing with that. The other thing that my family and I have been dealing with is my father-in-law has stage 4 lung cancer. And he was diagnosed last fall, and we've really tried to spend a lot of time, as much time as possible with him, giving him as many experiences as possible over the last 6 months or so. But now he's close to the end of the road. So he's in hospice, and anyone I don't wish this on my worst enemy. And as a function of that, I've had to pivot my priorities to supporting my wife and supporting my family as much as humanly possible, which means the simple reality is that there's only so many minutes in the day and only so many hours in the week that I can dedicate to my clients, to our audience, to my businesses, even my people, my colleagues. And so right now, my primary focus, my number one focus is supporting my wife and my father-in-law and that family, which is important. It's incredibly important. And so that's what I've been dealing with for the last couple of months.